Person of interest in Cocoa Piece massacre held in Trelawny. RUSHANE BARNETT, otherwise called Jet or Nick, who was named as a person of interest in the killing of a mother and her 4 children in Cocoa Piece, Clarendon, is now in police custody. According to a release from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the 23-year-old was held by the police in Wilson Run, Warsop in Trelawny about 9:15 on Tuesday, June 21st. Early on Tuesday, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang told Parliament that the man was apprehended, but Chang later said he was misinformed and retracted the statement.
What is, my understanding, is essentially a domestic issue. Right? The police have actually apprehended someone that they have in custody who is in fact a distant family member that's supposed to be involved. Certainly have to examine how this kind of madness gets the family. We have seen increasing levels of inter-family violence in recent times. Domestic violence as it is classified in the police records.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!